Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am looking at Microsoft Office 365, specifically PowerPoint. I have done a video on Word and I've also done a video on how to install Office 365. Please feel free to take a look. Okay, so I'm going to jump straight in today. I've got PowerPoint here, ready and waiting. And got the new page straight away. So I can choose to either have a blank presentation or I can choose one that is already set up with a theme that I like. So I'm going to click on this theme here just because I like blue. Okay, so here we've got straight onto the first title page, straight with the home options, and I can add a new slide. Now this gives me one that is just simple. It has the option to add a title, and then straight away I can add text that's bullet pointed. So I'll just show you here straight away. You can see that's bullet pointed, and you can change that. That's not a problem. Okay. Again, I choose layout, and I might think, oh, actually, I don't just want one text box. I want to show two different things on that page. So I'm going to click that, and then yet again, it's bullet pointed. I can change that. I might go, well, I've got A, B and C over there, and to link them, to explain them more, I want to change my bullet points. I want to make it look different than the previous ones. So for this example, again, I will just do the simple A, B, C. And that gives me 1, 2, 3. It's straightforward, it's simple, but it just splits your page in two. Okay, again, options for changing the text, making it bigger, smaller, bold, underlined, changing the colour. And then we're going to go to insert. Okay, so again, I showed you the new slide. If you want to change the layout, just go back to home and click on the layout, and that will change that for you, whichever one you choose. Okay, so here I can insert a table. So I might choose to insert a table, and I can change that to a different style. So I might want it just so it's simple and different colours in the gradient. I don't like that too much personally because it doesn't define the column headers in the same way. So I tend to choose something that either gives me an option like this, so it's clear what the headings are. But again, it's completely up to you. Not happy with the table, want to start again, click delete. And you can just delete either one column, one row, or the whole table. Okay. So insert, again, we've got the option to insert pictures, videos and audio, and I think that's brilliant, especially for a PowerPoint. So again, you can just upload those from your files, and you've got other options like your text box and shapes. Okay, so I'm going to move on to design. So again, it's got themes here, so you might change your mind about the theme you chose at the start. You might go, that's a bit too in your face, or actually, I feel that's a bit plain. I'm going to choose this one. So then change it. Again, completely up to you. And I love this background. Again, it's blue. So we're going to go to transitions. So your transition effects. So I can have something as simple as it fading in and out. I quite like that. If it was for work purposes, I just wouldn't have a transition effect. That's my personal opinion. I think with no transition effect, it looks crisp. It looks very professional for a workplace. But again, it's completely up to you. Okay. Then I've got animation options. So that's similar to the transition effect. It's just the entrance effect. So I'm going to click on this text box. And I'm going to go, I want an entrance effect. I want this one to just appear. And I want this one to... I'm going to choose random for this one. Okay. And I can have exit effects if I want. Again, it's similar to the entrance effects. It's just obviously when it's going off the screen. Okay. Then I've got my slideshow options. So I can start it from the beginning. I can start it from the current slide. Or, I can even hide a slide. So I can click on hide slide and it will hide the current slide that I'm on. Or to unhide it, click on hide slide again. I can use present a view, which I quite like, because especially if I'm putting it on a big screen or sharing it with other people, because it means that I can still see what slide I'm on, what I'm doing, but they only get the view of that slide that I am currently showing. So I can then go review. I can add comments. That is a good option if you're getting somebody to review your PowerPoint. And again, I can go to view and I can choose to add some notes. Again, they can be quite useful. Or I can fit it to window, so I can make that so it is already fit to window anyway. But if I say zoom out and make it a lot smaller, to go back to how it was, I just click fit to window. I can zoom in if I want to as well, if I'm looking at something specific to get the detail right. And again, click fit to window. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to slideshow. And obviously the option there is from the beginning, or I've got an option here as well, so I don't have to go back to slideshow if I don't want to. So I'm going to click from beginning. And as you can see, I can see the presenter view. Anybody I share that with or display it on a screen, they won't see the presenter view. They will just see the slide that I'm on. Okay, so you can either click these arrows on the screen or you can click the arrows on your keyboard. I'm just going to show you the effects that I put in. So when I click next, and obviously you can't see the fade as well, just because the screens are very similar. And as I said, these ones would just appear. So that's quite nice. It makes your bullet points crisp. And then I've got random effects here. Again, it's just a little bit different. That just gives you an overview of effects and how they kind of look. And once you've finished, you can either blank the screen if you're pausing, and then click blank screen again and it'll show exactly where you were, or you can end show. It takes you back to your presentation in PowerPoint to be able to edit it more if you need to. Okay, so that's all for today. If you would like a more in-depth PowerPoint example, please let me know. Please comment below. Again, any other how-to videos that you'd like to see, please comment below. And thank you for watching my video. I hope it was really useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. But most importantly, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.